Are you practicing repeat sentence again and again, but the sentence disappears from your mind as soon as the audio stops? Don't worry, it may not be a memory problem. You may simply be using the wrong practice method. In this video, I'm going to share 3 simple strategies that can help you remember more words, speak more smoothly, and perform better in repeat sentence. We'll also practice one example together, so stay with me. Repeat sentence is a listen and speak task in PTE Academic. You hear a short sentence only once. There is no replay. As soon as the audio finishes, the microphone opens and you need to repeat as much of the sentence as you can in the correct order. Your response is mainly scored in 3 areas: content, pronunciation, and oral fluency. Content is about how many correct words and word sequences you repeat. Pronunciation is about how clearly your speech can be understood. And oral fluency is about how smoothly you speak, without long pauses, too many corrections, or repeated restarts. Now let's look at the 3 strategies. Strategy 1. Listen for the meaning. Don't try to catch every single word. Instead, focus on the main idea of the sentence. Listen carefully for important nouns, verbs, names, numbers, and connecting words. These words usually carry most of the meaning. Strategy 2. Break the sentence into chunks. A long sentence is much easier to remember when you divide it into 2 or 3 small phrase groups. Think of it like remembering a few short blocks instead of one long line of words. Strategy 3. Repeat with rhythm. Start speaking soon after the recording begins. Try to follow the speaker's natural stress and rhythm. And even if you forget one word, don't stop. Keep going smoothly instead of restarting the whole sentence. Now, let's practice an example. Listen carefully.
The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects.
Now let's break it into 3 chunks. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. Now say the full sentence smoothly. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. See how much easier that feels? First, remember the meaning. The psychology department needs volunteers for research projects. Then keep the 3 chunks in the same order. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. Before you move to the next question, quickly check yourself. Did I understand the main meaning? Did I remember the sentence in chunks? Did I start speaking without waiting too long? Did I keep the phrase order correct? Did I continue even after missing a word? Was my pronunciation clear? And did I avoid restarting the whole sentence? For daily practice, begin with short sentences and repeat them immediately. Record your response and listen back. Check for missing words, wrong word order, long pauses, and unclear pronunciation. Once short sentences feel comfortable, move to medium sentences and then longer ones. The key is consistency. A little practice every day can improve both your memory and your speaking fluency. PTE Ultra gives you repeat sentence practice with exam-style MP3 audio, speaking exercises, and instant feedback. Install the PTE Ultra app and practice with the repeat sentence MP3 audio every day. You can also start free practice at pteultra.com. Practice smarter, score higher, choose PTE Ultra.